Se ve espeluznante cómo se ve esa zona, ¿no, chicos? Me imagino las horas y días de combate que han habido en ese solo sector.
What's up? You clear?
We're here. Come on, move, guys. Go, go, follow him. I'm on the move.
Hay que ser súper bravo patrullar estas zonas. Y saber uno lo que tiene al frente. Y todo tan plano.
No way.
Muertos por donde quiera.
Dead faggot in sneakers.
Durísimo.
Another dead fag. He didn't make it out on his feet. Spotted a dropped kalash.
Can you move to the left? I can't pass here.
The fog is in our favor right now.
So many fucking fags are here.
La pregunta del millón es ¿qué tan solos van? Porque no, por lo que capto no se nota que es un pelotón o es que es de pronto es quizás una sola escuadra, como mucho 9 soldados.
The fog is sick now, they might move.
Waiting on the fog to cover. You copy?
Noir, Noir, let's test that! Done! Fall back!
Damn. Oh.
Guys, stay positive. We have to get out of here
Push
first.
to the tree
It's a
line!
bus. Into the trenches, basically. Come on, move your asses. Running. You keep
Eso
eyes
sí,
anyway.
chicos, se le ve que el armamento, todo lo que, o sea, la dotación que tienen, full.
Move. Someone jammed the tripwire there.
Who's there?
Plus, copy that, we're moving.
07 here. Check in.
Is that not ours? Let's go! Clock's ticking!
Tengo dudas si es neblina o por la misma batalla como tal se genera ese polvo que se ve en el ambiente.
He's got help?
We've wrapped him up with a tourniquet. Go check it.
I'm coming! Radio, damn it!
0707, check it.
07th on the line. Come on, cheer up, move, damn it.
Roger, come on, move your asses. Guys, we need to regroup faster, regroup and push forward.
Suenan los drones.
Birds in the sky. Don't shout.
0707.
O sea, quizás va un grupo pequeño, pero también van con drones. O sea, también tienen una capacidad visual mucho mayor, que me parece perfecto.
Wolfman! 0707, move.
Plus.
Stick to the trail and watch your step, damn it.
Which trail, damn it?
There is a trail somewhere there.
Bro, what's up? Can you hear me? Are you okay? I know. No, stay down, stay down. We will drag you away.
Wait, hold on.
Ready?
Ha herido un compañero. La pierna.
There, to the side.
I'll give you some water now. The water is in the backpack.
I don't have any water.
I have it, Doc. Here, can you drink it yourself? All right, good.
¿Cómo suenan los morteros, chicos? Mínimo un mortero 120, eso son unas granadas gigantescas.
Bro, there's a tripwire here. Be careful. Follow my trail. Turn left.
Yes, and I go right.
And watch your step, damn it.
Watch your step and control.
Damage. Control.
Eyes on. Carefully track everywhere.
Let's go, guys. The faster, the better.
Who's firing?
Get moving. That's not meant for us.
Ya llegaron a una zona donde se escucha que hay conflicto ya.
All right.
Yes, I'm fine.
Huh?
Seems fine.
Listen, you feel fine. But you might have got some nasty shrap. I don't want you to bleed out because of some crap, okay? And look here. Damned leaf mine. Yeah, fucking leaf.
Whose bird is it? Full digging up front.
Watch your step, damn it.
Cover!
Toss a grenade in there.
Come on, Wolfman, go!
Tuvieron contacto con el enemigo.
Beware of tripwires. Here's a cord. There's another one ahead. Be careful. I think I saw movement up front.
Let's move with control. Any twitch, you fucking shoot, damn it.
The dugouts.
¿Se imaginan la zozobra con la que uno da cada paso en un lugar de estos, chicos? Esto es una locura.
Move. Wolfman, move.
There is a foxhole at 1 o'clock. Might be a dugout.
Frag out.
Do you remember where the dugout is? Right where the bastard was spotted. It's over there, further up ahead.
Look, there.
Yo creo que son más como disparos de advertencia porque realmente creo que no han tenido contacto todavía con nadie.
It's in front, over there. Look forward.
It seems there is a foxhole there. Mind the foxhole.
I'll toss.
No, you won't.
Y se van encontrando con pequeños lugares tipo trincheras que tienen que ir verificando uno a una de que no haya nadie.
Horadka is clear. Horadka is clear. All set. Final on your end.
Plus. Oops. What are you doing, sunbathing? Here, sunbathe. We're not.
Como le quitan las botas, chicos.
Shit, you're stinky. Why are you freaking
Let's get
out?
out of here. Fast but careful. Take that paper.
Don't you hear me? Yeah, I'm moving. Grabbing the radio along the way.
Come on, move.
Yo creo que nosotros que estamos tan lejos de este conflicto no nos damos cuenta realmente la cantidad de muertos que tiene que estar dejando esta guerra. Porque creo que lo que se dice no es... O sea, el conteo que se está dando, yo diría que no es realista. Los números creo que son muchísimo más de lo que salen por, digamos, por los canales de televisiones o redes sociales.
Do you see them laying over there?
Guys, on the left, carefully. There is a mine. There, wait, stop. On the left, and there, on the right, too, damn it.
Boys, right here on the side. There's a mine sticking out of the ground. Guys, be careful. It's tucked in the hay over there.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, 20 meters left. Be careful here. Beware of the fucking mines.
Move, watch your step.
Al final sí era una escuadra, ya se están encontrando como las escuadras del pelotón.
Wait, let me get in here. I've already torn myself up. Damn.
It's alright, bro.
Wait.
Hola, amigo.
Durísimo. Chicos, capítulo espectacular. La verdad, cada vez me sorprende más en adentrarme a esto que sucede allá en Ucrania. Creo que lo poco que sabemos de allá, creo que es algo muy superficial. Por eso me interesa mucho adentrarme en este tema. Espero hayan disfrutado junto conmigo de este capítulo nuevo, de este video nuevo. Nos vemos en el próximo video, chicos.